Okay guys, let's talk about ratios. What do you mean, what do you understand by a ratio? So let's say we start a business, and then in that business I take out 10,000, right, in the business, and then one partner, that's me here, right, Tabo. Then somebody else come, Aaron, right? He takes out, say, 5,000, right? This ratio is a 2-to-1 ratio. Why? Because I've taken out twice his amount. So let's say we make profit of 30,000. Right? How much am I getting, and how much is he getting? Right? So basically we will use a ratio strategy. Our ratio is 2-to-1, right? Meaning I have twice what he should get, right? But how do you calculate it? How do you calculate it mathematically? Because obviously you will know that he should get 10,000, I should get 20,000. 20,000 is twice what it's twice what he got, right? So basically what you do is you add this ratio to what? 3, right? 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So you're gonna go Tabo, which is 2, that's my share. My share is twice, so it's going to be 2 divided by 3. That's the total. That's my portion. His portion, right, is going to be how much? 1/3, right? That's his share. So it doesn't matter. So basically let's just calculate it. Using a calculator just to show you. 30,000 multiplied by 2/3, right, in brackets. So that's my 20,000 there, right? And similarly 30,000 times 1/3. Sorry, something is wrong there. 30,000 times 1/3, there, that is 10,000. Okay, so that's how you do it. So even if it's a huge company, everybody, you know, invested in, they normally calculate them in shares. In shares in terms of cents and stuff like that, but it doesn't matter. What you do is you take the total number of individual shares, right? You add them, and your portion, you take it out of your contribution. Even if it's 100 people, you know, everybody has their own little shares there, right? Can be maybe, let's say, 5 people, right? So each person has their portion of 2 to 3 to 5 to 6. So if all this amount is shared accordingly, what you do is you add all these shares, right? 2 plus 1, 3, 8. 8 plus 6 is going to be 14. 14 plus, it's going to be 17. So everybody's shares you're going to calculate according to the denominator of 17, multiplied by, say, if you want to know how much shares do they have based on the profit that they've got. Let's say it's 4 million, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million, 4 million, hope this makes sense, equals your share, sorry, multiplied by 7 divided by 16, each and every individual shares. This is guys 1, 5, 17, 6 over 17, multiplied by 4 million, or 3 over 17, and so forth. That is going to give you the exact amount of the, this 4 million is shared according to this ratio. So the amounts that you get from these calculations is each person's shares. All right, so let's just look at it. I don't know if I should calculate it, but let me just do it. It's going to be 4 million times 2 divided by 17. That's the first person, that's their share, 470,000, blah blah blah. Right, same as the same person, and so forth. So I just wanted to show you the concept that, you know, this is how you share money amongst people, right? According to this ratio, according to the shares, or according to the stake they have within the company. I hope that makes sense. Now let's do exercises, a little bit more practical exercise on how you solve ratios. But for this video, I'm gonna pause here, and we're gonna continue on other videos because I don't want this one to be long. Click the like button. Thank you very much.